This is a speaking page that I designed that you can use as well. It covers all the important aspects that a speaking page needs. It begins with a clear call to action here above the fold to provide information to jump on the phone. Next, there is space for an image, a professional bio, your unique selling point, any achievements and logos that you'd like to feature. Then there's a big area for the speaking reel. Next, there's a pre-formatted area here for your keynote topics. It includes headlines, descriptions, and bullet points. There is space for a downloadable one-sheet. One of the most important parts of the page is the testimonials. There is space here for 3 different ones. And lastly, the most important part, once again, a call to action to jump on the phone and get more information about booking. So that is the full page. After you download the page, if you need help modifying it, send an email to info@danielleford.com and we will send you over a tutorial video walking you through.